Hey guys, what's going on? I can't do a quick video, right? I have to do a quick video. So I did this. You have to make like diamonds and stuff up. Just put tape everywhere. I gotta go quick because this video, like, make diamonds out of tape. That's my best bet for y'all to do. I gotta make this quick, so I'll explain everything when I get this done. Come on. We're gonna go quick. We gotta make this quick. I hope you got to see part 1. If you didn't, then watch part 1. Don't watch this one. I would watch part 1 if I were you. Because, yeah. Part 1 is probably going to be best for y'all. Alright? We're almost done. Crap. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. Bye.